come to a stop, start stopping. And turn on your right turn signal. Yep.
Okay, I think it's already on. Whatever.
Marley driving a 1973 Dodge Charger, and she is actually getting ready for Driver's Day. She don't know if she want to take a test in this land yacht, because this baby's a land yacht, everybody. There's my co-pilots in the back. Look at her go. Doing a wonderful job.
Check it out the lake.
Yep. You're going to stop normal. Come to a complete stop. Push hard. That wasn't complete. You just failed. He's like, uh-oh.
There's a lot of potholes.
Start using your brakes, because remember, it's 15 miles an hour down here. Hello. Don't go in the water if you can help it. Yeah, try not to go into big water. I'm probably in the wrong place to tell you that. It's nothing but water down here.
There's a really big pothole. Slow down.
Yeah, just come to almost a complete stop to hit them. Just slow down to nothing right here. Yeah, you did good. You did wonderful. And then, since I let you learn already, listen. I'm gonna get out of the car. I'm gonna let you do this circle without me, so I can get a video. But you're gonna go straight that way first. You're not gonna get in the real mud. Wow, look at the water here. You better not go too deep over there. Okay, right here, come to a stop. Stop. Okay, now put your windows up, guys, because it looks better for the camera. Hold on. That's Marley in there, everybody. We're gonna do this again. She's gonna be getting her license and let me drive.